Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. The new expiry of the July month is starting on the positive key data pointers, but the sentiment is negative and cautious. Amongst data points that we follow, Brent crude is at 110 and 10-year bond yield is at 3%. It was around 3.50, crude was around 120, and in last few days we are seeing gradual decline in both these major pointers. If we compare that with FIs selling, then there also we saw huge amount of reduction. They are like slowing down their sell off in the equities. However, as we mentioned, that sentiment of investors and trader is turning cautious, and that's the reason the markets are finding difficulties to sustain at higher levels. In spite of multiple attempts around 15,900, we saw eventually negative closing for the market, and today also we are going to see lower opening. At the same time, 15,900 is acting as major resistance. 15,670, 700 is also offering major support to the market. Below 15,670 we can expect furthermore weakness to the next level of 15,600 or 15,550 for the day. On the higher side, as we mentioned, 15,930 would act as major resistance, but on immediate basis 15,800 will act as trend decider level or psychological level, and above that we can expect some short covering. For the Bank Nifty, we saw some recovery and they close above the important level of 33,300, which is positive. FIs are reducing their sell off, which is again going to support the Bank Nifty or maybe financials in the near term. In the short term, we may see some sell off, but otherwise in the medium to long term, if FIs are going to reduce their selling, then certainly it will help the sector to revive from lower levels. If we consider the overall range for the expiry, then on immediate basis 15,300 would act as major support during the expiry, and 16,000 would be the level to watch out for on the higher side. Above and below these levels we can expect some trending activity, otherwise we are going to see range bound sort of activity till the market is between 15,300 and 16,000. Finally, if we go through with sector specific activity, then again we have to focus on auto companies as they are going to report their monthly numbers. Especially we need to focus on Maruti, Mahindra and Mahindra, Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, and also we need to focus on few cement companies as they are also going to report their dispatches. But at the same time, crude, which has fallen from the highs of 120 to 110 and multiple time it is coming back from the highs, is positive for cement or maybe soft commodities. So these are the sector on which we are going to keep a close watch, and with this I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you, have a great day and nice weekend to all of you.